Hi, welcome. How can I help?
Today is my first day. I'm looking for my Grab buddy.
You must be Gaurav's buddy. There it is.
Hi, I'm Gaurav. Welcome to your first day at Grab. So this is our engineering department. I'm a full stack engineer over here and my role is to build tools and services for the Grab customer service teams across Southeast Asia. This is your seat, but you're free to work from anywhere in the office, depending on whether you need some time to think, to discuss ideas with your coworkers, discuss work, etc.
Oh nice! This is gonna be my favorite spot.
Hey Victor,
Hi.
this is my Grab buddy. Can you share with her what you do?
Sure. Hi, I'm a data scientist. My daily job is to understand the insights of data and build a machine learning model to predict the estimate time of arrival for our Grab cars.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
No problem.
And let me introduce you to some UX designers over there.
Hi, we heard it's your first day today. Our team works on the Drive apps interface to make onboarding and navigating an intuitive experience.
That sounds awesome.
Hey everyone, let's gather for a meeting in a bit.
Sure, let's go. We have 77 meeting rooms here, and they're all designed differently for various functions. We have rooms for private meetings, roundtable discussions, conferences, presentations, informal chats, and so on.
Amazing.
Here it is.
Hi, welcome to your first meeting. Just a quick intro, I'm a product manager and I help to realize the product vision by working with different teams and delivering great app features. So let's start. That's all for today. I have to meet up with the business development team now. I'll see you guys later.
Oh, hey Nadia.
Hey!
Hey, I just finished a meeting with FairPrice and we discussed a strategic partnership, right? So we're going to see how we can bring value to our drivers and passengers through this collaboration.
Oh, okay, that's great. Let's sync up.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
First day?
Yeah.
Cool! Help yourself to some snacks. There's drinks here. And if you're lucky, there's also ice cream in here. So since you're new, I thought I'll tell you a little bit about Grab's culture. Grab's culture is very welcoming. In fact, you'll be able to make friends here for life. It's actually one of our principles. Grab friends forever. What's the score, guys?
3-2. You can join on this game if you want. Sometimes we come here to breaks to play and have fun together. But if you're into fitness, feel free to also check out the gym.
Grab encourages us to maintain a healthy lifestyle, so I enjoy coming here to get a boost at the end of the day.
Hi guys, happy hour is starting. Product design team want to share with us consumer app experience strategy. Let's go join them.
Sure.
Hey, so how was your day? I hope you had a great first day.
Totally. This place is incredible. I can't wait to start my journey over here.
Cool.
Cheers.